Hey sis, thank you for watching this video. Now you're officially a nail cutie. I'm Tresa and today we're gonna do a fill-in. These are currently my previous set. I did not record it. However, I was inspired by the George Floyd situation and the riots and Black Power. I was in my Black Power-ish or Black Power bag, like African flag, Jamaican flag. So that's why I got these colors on now. But this video, I'm actually gonna do a fill-in on these nails, and they're gonna be orange with glitter. So if you want to see that transformation, just keep on watching. In my nail videos, I can talk about nails, but I kind of want to do them and talk about like unpopular opinions or what's going on in the world without getting too politicky or, I don't know, like a gossip channel. I just want to talk about things while I do nails, like not necessarily about the nails itself, because doing nails is the same thing over and over. Filling, shaping, all that jazz. So I think I'm gonna start doing that in my videos. And what's going on at the moment is there still haven't been any justice for Breonna Taylor, which I think is a shame. They kicked in her door, if you don't know, and killed her looking for someone else. They killed her in her sleep. And I think her boyfriend is in trouble because he fired shots at them, not knowing who was coming in the house in the middle of the night, and he shot the police. So that's kind of their fault. So let's get justice for Breonna. I mean, there won't be any true justice until Christ returns, but hopefully the family will feel better if, justice is served as far as what's going on in her case. They can never get her daughter back, but, we can at least try to hold the people accountable of their actions. Hey sis, thanks for watching. Are you subscribed to my channel? If not, go ahead and click subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on no more nail cutie parties. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. Next, y'all know Meg Thee Stallion has been shot, and the mystery is who shot you and what really happened, because nobody knows. I mean, if you're a celebrity, you can expect people to be in your business, but as citizens, regular people, where we're all regular people, but if you're in celebrity status, I think people expect to know everything about a celebrity just because they're a celebrity. But taking myself, for example, if I was a celebrity, I still wouldn't care. Like, if I don't want to talk about something, nobody's going to make me talk about it. I'm going to talk about it when I get ready. And it's nobody's business. So, yeah, that's kind of like unpopular opinion, because people say that's what you signed up for. People want to know everything because you're in the public eye. But like I said, if it was me, y'all can suck an egg and take what I give y'all. Now, as far as the information that she is sharing, it's not seeming to make sense to people that she got shot in both her feet and had to have surgery on them. But she say they didn't hit a blood vessel or tendons or nothing, and that, she's lucky. So people are finding contradictions in her story, because they saying they wouldn't do surgery unless they absolutely had to, because 99% of people that get shot still have bullets in them, because it can cause more damage to take the bullets out. So people are thinking maybe she had fragments, and then some people are thinking she didn't get shot. Like, I don't know. And I really don't care. As long as she's still alive, that's all that matters. We'll find out the details later when she get ready to tell us what's going on. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what that's all. Oh, Wild 'N Out and Nick Cannon. It ain't funny, but y'all should know that people are gonna get like a public lynching for telling the truth. Everybody already knows that Nick Cannon wasn't lying. Deshaun, whatever his name is, the football player, he ain't lying. Jay Electronica, everybody knows the truth. And if you don't, you've been living under the rock and you're just considered, one of the lost sheep. But it clearly says that in our Bible, and these men know what they're talking about. But the media is gonna make it seem like they're crazy and they need to talk to people and get the truth. But honey, the gig is up. We already know the truth, and which I've been trying to hide for zillions of years. I think Nick apologized for reasons that's unknown, that the public would never know. And he probably had to, considering that they got information on him or evidence or videos or blackmail. And he don't want the public to know. I think it's something. I don't think he would have apologized. But, I am mad that he did apologize. Because, if you believe in God and we're his people, then you should be able to face whatever, knowing that and spreading the good gospel of Christ, of the Bible, of God. So that's like blasphemy. It's like you're turning your back on the Most High. But he sees and knows everything, so he knows what's going on. Praying for my brother Nick Cannon and all that knows the truth and is getting a public lynching for doing so. Y'all know they gotta control the media. They gotta control these celebrities. They can't say what they want to say. They monitor these people at all times. If you get out of hand, baby, that's it. You can't be talking too much. And we got evidence of them allegedly getting rid of people for the truth. So, just like this Pizzagate stuff and Weinstein and Hillary, like, it's just so much, y'all. And it's all not conspiracy. It's truth to what's going on behind closed doors. Y'all just need to wake up, open your eyes, and smell the coffee. Because you're living in La La Land, and obviously it's just paying attention to the bullshit that's in the world and not paying attention to what you need to be paying attention to. So I'm here to tell you to pay more attention to what's going on, you know. Be aware, just research more. Know what they're hiding in plain sight. Know what they're distracting you from. And just become more aware as far as that and what's going on in the world. But yeah, I guess that's all I want to talk about for now. These are the orange nails. I'm painting them now. Everything I use is Mill Secret. As far as the acrylic system, and the fingernail polish is Beetles, and everything can be found on Amazon. And yeah, that's it for this video. And like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at the Nail Cutie. Okay, thank you for watching again, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey sis, are you enjoying this video? Well, go ahead and click the like button and let me know in the comments your favorite part of this nail design.